Hello, Eat for Lifers. Welcome to the Eat for Life by Marsha Sunday show. Today is Pie Day, and we will be celebrating by making a vegan, plant-based vegetarian pie in keeping with January being Veganary Month. We are going to be making a pie from a pre-made crust. So stay tuned. We're going to get started with some pie. There you have it, Eat for Lifers, easy peasy, vegan, plant-based vegetarian pie. Also gluten-free, dairy-free, nutritious, and delicious. Next week, we have a lot of recipes coming up for you. And next week, Sunday, is going to be cookies, vegan cookies, because we're ending with Veganary Month next week, Sunday. Stay tuned.